Namata naman malapit sa Manila Bay ang barko ng China Coast Guard, gayon din ng isang research vessel ng China sa Baho de Masinloc. Samantala, isang malaking debris mula umano sa rocket launch ng China ang natagpuan ng mga mangingisda sa Lubang Island sa Mindoro. Magbabalita si Mads Villar Moratillo.
Mas malapit umano sa Zambales ang barko ng China Coast Guard na sinasabing na-monitor malapit sa Manila Bay. Ito ang nilinaw ni Commodore J. Tariela, tagapagsalita ng Philippine Coast Guard sa isyu ng West Philippine Sea para pawiin ang pangamba ng publiko. Una rito sa post ng maritime security expert na si Ray Powell. Nasa labas lang umano ng Manila Bay ang China Coast Guard 3306 habang nakabantay umano ito sa BRP Cape San Agustin ng Philippine Coast Guard.
I don't think that is something that Ray Powell can safely assume. It's because he is just relying on the AIS data that he sees from his monitor. The problem is he's actually using Manila Bay, the mouth of Manila Bay, as a point of reference. But in reality, kung titingnan mo naman, malayo naman talaga siya. That's why I keep on mentioning, we always measure it from Bataan or even from Cavite. Secondly, if you're going to use Manila Bay as a point of reference, it will attract so much attention from the public. But in reality, it's not really inside Manila Bay that we should not say that it is near Manila Bay or it's in the mouth of Manila Bay, because there are other provinces that are really close before you use Manila.
Pero sabi ni Tariela, ang CCG 3306 na ito namataan sa 75 nautical miles mula sa Baho de Masinloc at 58 nautical miles ng baybayin ng Capones Island sa Zambales.
Early this morning, when we were monitoring the China Coast Guard 3306 at that distance, BRP Cape San Agustin challenged the presence of the Chinese Coast Guard, and right now it is actually being tailed by the Philippine Coast Guard vessel.
Kinumpirma naman ng PCG na namataan din sa Baho de Masinloc ang research vessel ng China na Xiangyang Hongten.
Xiangyang Hongten entered the exclusive economic zone of the Philippines last July 25. And then it loitered sa Baho de Masinloc for a number of days. But we're not really aware of the activities of Xiangyang Hongten when it entered Baho de Masinloc.
Sa ngayon, may 4 na barko ng China Coast Guard ang namonitor ng PCG sa Baho de Masinloc. Lahat sila, nasa 24 nautical miles ang distansya.
For the remaining China Coast Guard vessels that are inside the vicinity of Baho de Masinloc, there are actually 4 China Coast Guard vessels that we are still monitoring, and it is keeping a distance of 24 nautical miles, strategically deployed in 4 directional locations of Baho de Masinloc. So that is 3105 guarding the northwest of Baho de Masinloc, 4202 located on the west of BDM, 4305 at southwest, and then 3305 at southeast of Baho de Masinloc. All of these 4 China Coast Guard vessels are maintaining a distance of 24 nautical miles.
Samantala, isang malaking debris mula umano sa rocket launch ng China ang natagpuan ng mga mangingisda sa Lubang Island sa Mindoro. Ang debris may markings umano na nagsasabing galing ito sa Long March 7A rocket na nilaunch ng China sa pagitan ng July 15 hanggang 17. Madeline Villar Moratillo para sa Mata ng Agila. Matatag, matapang, matapat.